Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sam. If you are new here, thanks for joining and clicking on the video. Today we're going to be opening up my Boxy Luxe for September 2021. I haven't done a BoxyCharm unboxing in a really long time, so I figured I already opened this up and looked through it with my best friend, and I figured I'd show you guys what I got because I thought it was kind of a cool box. So let's get into today's video. It's going to be a pretty quick video, and you guys can see what's in the Boxy Luxe. I do pay monthly for it. I think it's like $20 or $25 a month. And then I also pay for the Boxy Luxe. Every 3 months I get a $50 box, which comes with more high ticket items and more items in the box. So let's open her up. I have you guys set on my desk because I just kind of wanted this angle, like where you can see as I pull things out. Inside we have the template. Today is Fall Luxe, baby. I'm gonna keep this right here so I can read off the prices to you. Up first, I got the outre. I think I'm saying that right. I can't read the next part. It's a CBD shampoo and conditioner, intense hydration, repair, and then daily hydrating shampoo. This here is $66 for this duo. So that's it there. That's pretty cool. I would love to try that. I'm pretty excited about that. $66 for shampoo and conditioner is a lot of money. So we'll see. Next we have the Dew for the Gods. Froze Haya activated lip scrub. This is weird, doesn't seem like a lip scrub. Maybe this is the packaging. This retails for $16. So I'm gonna pop her open. This is a really cute package. That's the package there. It's like a cardboard. This is a really cute package. Oh, okay. And then this is what the actual product looks like. This is really cute. Is it weird? I want to keep this or something. So this is package here. Let's open her up. It's literally just sugar. It's just bits of sugar. Look at this, y'all. It like has nothing adhering it. I don't understand how you would even put this on your lips. Can y'all see that? It's like usually sugar scrubs have like something holding it together. This is literally, maybe there's directions. Maybe just to put it with water or something. No, gently rub across lips wherever they look or feel chapped. Wipe off excess. Enjoy. It's so crunchy, I can't get the lid back on. Okay, that's gonna have to be thrown out. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Literally look. We'll see. I don't know. Okay. Up next, I have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. So I'm guessing it's a moisturizer, an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. All right, and then this retails for $57. Saturday Skin is a pretty pricey brand, but I do have a few things by them, and I do enjoy them. I love the packaging of this. This is the packaging. It's like iridescence. And then that's the consistency. Really nice. All right. Up next we have Bamboo Body Polish by the Lifestyle Company. I love a good body polish no matter what, so this will get used for sure. This is, oh wow, this retails for $49. It's not that big. You get 4 ounces. feels nice, but don't feel like no $49 nice. I mean, I have a lot of body scrubs I go through, but a lot of them are from like the drugstore, Walmart type of thing. I mean, it definitely feels nice. It's exfoliating. We're gonna leave that there because I don't have anything to wipe my hands on. So there's that. Up next, we have the Nuco. They're defense drops for immunity. I'm not gonna try to read all that wording around it. I don't know if that's focusing, but anyway, you can probably put this down in your coffee or take it directly. 1 dropper full every day. Yeah, I'm sure there's ways you can take it. This retails for $35. Your first line of defense against getting sick. The immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties. Use at the first sign of scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. Okay, so you take this when you start feeling sick. Not an everyday. Well, I mean, it did say every day. I don't know. I guess you could do both. Anyway, that's pretty cool, especially in the world we live in. Next is our Brow Harmony Pencil in Gel and Warm Brown by Rare Beauty. That's the packaging there. I don't own anything. God, it's like not wanting to roll. Whatever. I don't own anything by Rare Beauty. So this is exciting. It feels so nice. That's what it looks like there. Let's open her up. It definitely looks a bit too warm for me, but it is in warm brown, so maybe like a cool brown would have been better, but then it also comes with a gel. My brows are already glued down. I'm over here ignoring my dogs because I'm used to them. But I realize I'm talking and the dogs are just going to town. So sorry about that. And it's like not even coming through. I just fucked them all up. So that'll be fun to play with. I just think it'll be too warm for me. I don't know what to do. I fucked this brow. I mean, it was already not great. This brow's my shitty brow. Whatever. Okay, moving on. Yeah, these brows are looking like hell. I need to do them. Next up is the Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara in the shade Black. That's the packaging there. This looks cute. It goes with my Rare Beauty one. Okay, anyway, that's the packaging there. I need a new mascara. So, ew. Can you see that wand? I don't know about it. I don't know about it. We'll see. This retails for, oh, the Rare Beauty one, by the way, retails for $22. And this retails for $26. This says, fed up with fall season, meet the gold standard of mascaras, an ultra black stunning weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night for a dramatic, fluttery look. The easy to handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant smoldering, fuller lash line when the defense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black intense fullness and length, the best alternative to false lashes. I don't care how great it makes my lashes look. I mean, I do. I'm the most oily eyelid person ever. Every mascara, almost every, there's like 2 that I've ever used, transfers all over the place. So we'll see. This is the contour palette by Cab Cosmetics. That's unicarton. This is volume 1. So I did watch a Boxy Charm unboxing with this in it, and it does come in a volume 2 for deeper complexions. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, it's freaking huge. by the way. I'll never run through this in my entire life. Anyway, that's them there. I will say these colors up here do look too worn for me. So I don't know if volume 1 will meet me, but the sand here could work for me. So we'll give that a whirl. And that's the last thing in the box. And that retailed for $60. That's crazy because I think I've seen Cab at Target and Walmart. And so to be $60, it seems like a lot of money there. All right, guys. That's today's Boxy Charm unboxing. I haven't done these in a while, but I figured I had a little bit extra time. I do look kind of rough today because I just got ready really fast for work. But I figured I had a little extra time, so I would film that for y'all. I'm in the middle of, I don't know if you noticed my new background. It's not new, I'm just in a different angle because I have rearranged my room. I'm in the middle of redoing my room right now. I will have that video linked down below because it will probably be posted before this video. And if it's not, I will eventually just link it down on this. So if you don't see it right now, it will be linked. But if not, you can just go search my channel for it. If you're interested in watching me clean and rearrange and organize my room. My lady lounge with all my clothes and my desk and my beauty stuff. Yeah, so thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day. I love y'all, and make today the best day that you can, because in that video you'll see that I'm not having the best time in life right now. So make today the best day that you can, and I love y'all, and have a good day. Bye, guys.